walking forever. You're holding that tight?
Yes. I don't think we have any plans to take the cab anywhere. I think Alan said it's a 12-minute walk to our hotel. Into the AM. Captain Pink Eye.
Walk.
22-minute walk. Well, now I'm calling again.
What? Oh.
I was in doggy daycare.
You guys are saying this is all not scary?
He said Manhattan's all safe.
What?
Manhattan is safe.
What?
Chad said all of Manhattan is safe.
This is all safe.
Yes. Just be smart.
Y'all just said,
Taxis are a scam.
like, is someone gonna run by and snag our phones or anything like that? Ooh, is weed legal here? It smells like weed.
Hi, thank you. I can't really. Can I give you this shirt right now? Oh, God. So funny.
Gregory's Bravo. Here's Bravo pizza. Should we try it?
You want to eat the first
Purchase 2 slices that are free drink. Oh my god. You gotta show stuff, man. Oh.
I'm the pizza. I'm just gonna start it.
It looks so good. I'm so hungry though.
We're gonna hang out with Vinny tomorrow. That's all I got. And then obviously we gotta find Miguel at some point. We did not bring Ring Fit. We're not playing Ring Fit while we're in New York, Miguel. There's too much to do.
What is this place?
We're here until Monday.
Oh my god. You said you wanted to see Madison Square Garden? I give it to you. I present to you.
Here's content, guys. We're bringing
Madison Square Garden. Holy shit, is that it right there, the circle? That's it? Just that circle? Hey, well, we saw Madison Square Garden. That was fun. I don't have chat because I'm playing music.